Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there to help you make the right choice. Today, we're reviewing what we believe to be the best paint brushes for artists. The KEVIN and SASA Crafts Paint Brushes set of 24 pieces. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, this set is designed to elevate your painting experience. And in the next few minutes, we're going to take a close look at what makes this brush set stand out from the rest. When it comes to creating beautiful art, the right tools can make all the difference. The KEVIN and SASA Crafts Paint Brushes set is perfect for oil, acrylic, and watercolor painting, offering 24 different brushes, each designed for specific techniques and effects. Whether you're adding fine details or filling in larger areas, this set has it all. Every brush in the set features a 100% natural wood handle that's lightweight and easy to hold, giving you the comfort and control you need during your creative process. One of the best things about this set is the versatility. It includes a wide variety of brush types, from round brushes for delicate lines to fan brushes for textured effects, and even angled brushes for sharp edges. This makes it ideal for any painting project, whether you're working with intricate designs or broad strokes. The nylon bristles are soft yet durable, allowing for smooth application of paint without any shedding, and they're designed to retain their shape for long-lasting use. What makes this set even better is the included canvas brush case. It's not just a great storage solution but also a practical carrying case that keeps all your brushes safe and organized. So whether you're painting at home or on the go, you can easily take your brushes with you and protect them from damage. If you're looking for a gift for a budding artist or someone who loves to paint, this set makes a perfect choice. It's not only practical but also an affordable way to get started with high-quality brushes. With its wide range of brush types, it's a perfect gift for all ages and skill levels, from kids learning to paint to seasoned professionals creating their next masterpiece. The KEVIN and SASA Crafts Paint Brushes set is a top choice for artists who want durability, precision, and versatility all in one package. Whether you're just starting out or you're a professional looking for a reliable set, this brush set has you covered. Make sure to check it out in the link below and elevate your painting experience today. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Happy painting!